Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a practical setup of diffraction grating, that how we can measure the diffraction grating. We use to calculate diffraction grating, we can find the wavelength, the grating element by using the formula in our theories. But today I will show you the complete setup of diffraction grating experiment. So first of all, this beam of light is of sodium light. So this sharp beam is a sodium light, which we need to find out the wavelength of this sodium light. And this whole setup, this whole device is known as spectrometer. Okay, and we can adjust the distance between the light and the lens using these knobs. These are different knobs for different adjustment to make a sharp image or a blur image. And the scale was mentioned over here. This contains the same scale like the vernier caliper. It contains lines. We may find out a main scale reading, then a circular scale reading, then we correct the final reading of our experiment. And this is our grating element, and this grating element contains 300 lines per millimeter. So we find the grating element or the value of small d by dividing it by 300, because 1 millimeter contains 300 line. And if you want to observe image of this sodium light, so as you can see, this is our eyepiece through which you can observe a sodium light or a beam of sodium light. If I move left, so you observe a clear image of sodium light, and if you watch through this lens, so you will find a very dim orange type yellow light. This one, basically this is a sharp image of the sodium light. If you observe it by your normal eye, so you will get a sharp image, but by the help of camera I am only able to show you that how the observation is going to be taken from this spectrometer. So this is the whole setup. We just find a normal reading and we just calculate the final readings. First we take, let me show you that how it works. First we observe it on a horizontal in a straight line, then we move towards right hand side, and then we observe first order towards right, then second order towards right. Same goes for the left side, first order on the left, first order, second order on the left, and then we just use these values. This is the reading table, as you can see. So we can easily find out the values by using the formula and by using the table. So this is a whole experiment of spectrometer to find out the diffraction grating. Thank you.